So good morning to all. How are you all?
Number
Yes? All are fine? Huh? Yes, very good. So today we are going to do our workbook exercises. So please take your workbook, page number 30. 30.
asking
Okay? Ready? Take your pencil.
B.
Yes. Okay. So let me share the screen. Okay, this is our page number 30. So all of you read the first question. The difference between 45 and 5.
And part two.
Hmm?
And part
Part 1. Dia, part 1. I have already sent the message in the morning. You didn't check? Okay, so please read the first question. The difference between 45 and 5.
ma'am.
Hmm?
Which book? Ma'am, the answer is 40.
Yes, we have to subtract it, right? How to subtract? There is a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. So how can we subtract it? First, we have to arrange in the correct place value order, isn't it? So one number is 2-digit number. So we have to write tens and ones and arrange that number. And the next one number is only a 1-digit number. So where we will write that 5 under which place? Ones or tens?
Place.
Yes. We have to write it under the ones place and subtract.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Which book?
This is your part 1 max workbook. Part 1,
Number?
page number 30. Okay, then first you have to subtract the ones place. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then in the tens place, there is only one number 4. No other number to subtract. So we can write it down. So the answer is
40.
40. Yes. Answer is 40. And right here, option D.
Option.
Okay, the next question, you can see some pictures. So all of you count the pictures. Here, how many pictures are there? You have to count. Count everyone.
Ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am.
Yes.
I'm in my mother's home because I will only get part 2, not
Part 2. Okay. So write the answers in the rough book, and when you reach home, you have to copy this one. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Please take the rough book and write the answers. So in the first picture, how many are there? How many animals are there in the first picture? 17. Okay. 17. Then
Yes,
count the next one also.
17.
Second one also 17.
17.
Yes, 17. So what is the answer? 17 minus 17
Zero.
is 0. Yes, 0. So the option Z. Option C. So same numbers are subtracting, we will get the answer 0. Then third question also that same question. The difference between 11 and 11.
0.
Yes, 11 and 11. The difference between 11 and 11. So when you're getting a question, the difference between what you have to do? Subtraction. Okay, subtraction. So 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. Option C.
0.
0. Okay. Then next question, question number 4. Anthony Shan, unmute and read question number 4. Fourth question is
While
while subtracting. Hmm,
we
hmm,
always
hmm,
begin
hmm, from
from the
hmm,
dash
place.
place.
Okay, while subtracting, we always begin from the which place? Ones place. So what is the answer? Option D. Ones place. Please write everyone. Option D. Ones place. While subtracting, we always begin from the ones place.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. Dakshalakshmi started writing.
Yes.
Yes, so please read the next question, number 5.
Write the missing number.
Write the missing number. The numbers are 35 minus 17.
Minus 17.
So do it by the side and check what is the missing number there. 35 minus 17. All of you do it by the side. You can write and check. 35 minus 17. How we will get the answer?
We have to share.
Yes, here it is regrouping will come, isn't it? 5 in the ones place, 5 is coming first. So that is a smaller number. So 5 minus 7, we cannot do. So we have to regroup. Yes. So here
Yes.
it will come. 3 will become which number here?
2.
2. 3 will become 2. And what about this 5?
5 will become 15.
Yes, 5 will become 15. Now you can subtract 15 minus 7. Please subtract 15 minus 7.
8, 9, 10, 12.
15 minus 7. 7 after, count up to 15. How many fingers you used?
8,
7 after.
9, 10. 8 fingers.
8 fingers. So here in the ones place, it will come 8. Then what about the tens place?
1.
1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 18. And in the question you see, already in the answer, ones place digit is there 8. So what is the missing number there?
1.
1. This 1 is missing there, right? So we can write here 1 and the option D. Option D. Okay, finish everyone. This Ryan. Ryan, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me this Ryan. It is Ryan Ramis. Your name is Ryan Ramis or Ryan Adril?
Ma'am, we changed the name.
Change your name.
Yeah.
Yes. So now what is the correct name? Ryan?
Ryan Adril.
Ryan Adril. Okay, thank you. Now all of you take the next page. Page number 31. Page number 31. Okay, ready? Now the next question, question number 6. Okay. Ishan Krishna, unmute and tell me the answer. Find the missing number in the following. Ishan,
Yes,
unmute. Find the missing number in the following. There is a 3-digit number, isn't it? Both the numbers are 3-digit numbers. So we have to subtract 441 minus 111. So in the ones place only the number is missing. Tens and hundreds, the answer is there.
0.
Yes, very good. 1 minus 1 is 0. And the option D. The next question. Ashif,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute and tell me the answer. First you read the question. 7th question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, start. While subtracting.
Subtracting.
Can you see this? Is it visible to you? Yes, Ashif? No.
No.
While subtracting.
I cannot see the question.
Question number 7. 7th question. Okay. Then I will call.
While subtracting.
While subtracting the digits in the ones place. We write its difference in the
dash place.
Yes, when after subtracting the ones place, where we will write the answer, the ones place answer, we will write in the ones place itself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so here also the answer is ones place. Please write the answer ones. Then the next question. Andrea, unmute and read. Andrea, unmute. Okay. 8th question is?
10 is equal to dash ones.
Yes. 110 means how many ones are there in 110? 110. 110, there are 10 ones. Okay? 10 ones make 110. Okay, everyone please write the answer. 10 ones make 110. So 110 in 110, how many ones are there? 10 ones. 10 ones. Then the next question. Ahyan, unmute and tell me the answer. 9th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 9.
When
we subtract.
When we subtract 1
from a number. We get the number. That is dash it.
8.
So, what will be the answer? When we are subtracting 1 from a number, we will get the answer that is just,
Before.
yes, very good, just before it. So, when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number that is before it. Write the answer before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Very good, Akyan.
Thank you.
Welcome. Who is in this name, Aiden? Please on your video. Everyone, please on the video. Aiden. Sahasra Devadarsh, please on the video. Okay, then the next one. Ansel, unmute and tell me. Question number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please read it.
What is the zero property of subtracting?
Yes. What is zero property of subtraction? What is zero property of subtraction? What is that? Do you know?
Zero.
Yes. What is the zero
get-
property?
We get the number zero.
Yes. When we subtract 0 from a number, the
We get
difference
the-
is the number itself. That is known as zero property. So that we have to write here.
Property.
Yes. So please start writing. When we subtract,
Zero from
0 from a number,
get number
0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, this is known as zero property of subtraction. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. Shisa, this is 2E class, my dear.
Ma'am, I don't have space.
You can write the next line. The next line you can use.
Down.
Yes, down. Is Abel Sijo present? Abel Sijo?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And Catherine? And Catherine? Anna Princeton? And Mia Regal? Afia Maria? Arav Arun?
Present, ma'am.
Arav Arun. Afia is present. Okay. Arav is present. Then Abel Saju? Abel Saju? No. Krishnaraj is there. Okay. Rose M. Francis. Rose. Yes. So I will call the absentees name today. Today's absentees are Anne Catherine, Anna Princeton, Annia Regal, Arav Arun, Abel Saju, then Vaikalakshmi. Yes, all the others are present. Okay, so completed. 10th question, have you all completed?
I do
Yes.
not used to write.
You can use that next line also, my dear. Write down.
One,
Hmm?
the 11th one.
11th one only, the answer we have to
Can
write
draw
there.
a line, then we can
Ah.
write.
Yes, yes, you can draw one line also down.
Ma'am, I do that.
Okay, very good. Then question number 11. Please read question number 11. What is that question? Subtract 27 minus 27.
Minus 27 is equal to 0.
Yes, 27 minus 27 is equal to 0. So you can write the answer there. It is 0. Then 12th question.
Ma'am, can you read the 11th question?
11th question, 27 minus 27. What is the answer? 27 minus 27 equal to?
0.
Oh, okay. The next question, subtract 46 minus 1.
45.
Yes, when we are subtracting 1 from a number, we will get just before it. So 46 before number is 45. So 46 minus 1 is 45.
5.
Okay. Then question number 13.
13.
Yes, what is that? 20, subtract 26 from 73.
23.
So which number we have to write first?
73.
73.
Why?
Because it's the number.
Biggest number.
Yes, that is the bigger number, isn't it? So
Yeah.
bigger number we have to write always first. So we have to write here 73 minus 26. And you can do the subtraction. Please do it, everyone.
Regroup.
Here we need to regroup it. Why? What is the reason?
We can't minus 3 minus 6.
Yes, 3 minus 6 we can't do because the top number 3 is a smaller number, down 6 is a bigger number. Okay, so we can share, we can borrow from this
7.
7. Okay, 7,
6.
6.
7 will be 6 and
3 will become 13.
Answer is 47.
Now we can subtract 13 minus 6. After 6, count up to 13. 6 after?
7,
Hmm?
8,
Hmm?
9,
Hmm?
10,
Hmm?
11,
Hmm?
12, 13.
Yes. How many fingers?
7.
7 fingers. Okay, so in the ones place, it will come 7. Then what about the tens? 6 minus 2.
4. 4.
4. Okay, so answer is 47.
47.
Yes. Then like that you can do question number B also. That is a 3-digit number. 235 from 589. So arrange the numbers in the correct boxes. First, which number we have to write?
589.
Yes, 589. That is the bigger number here. So we have to write that. Then the next number, 235. Then subtract. Smriti, are you writing? Huh? Yes. Okay.
200.
Answer is 340,
Hmm?
54.
Yes, answer is 354.
54.
The ones place 9 minus 4 is, sorry, 9 minus 5 is 4. Then tens place 8 minus 3 is 5. And in the hundreds place 5 minus 2 is 3.
3.
354 is the correct answer. Very good.
Why is 354 is the answer?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, then let me take the next page. Finish now, everyone? Yes, finish? Now let me take the next page.
Ma'am, I am not finished yet.
Which question?
B.
Question B.
B and
The answer is 354.
and the next page.
Yes,
B
this
and
is page, page number 32. Please
B
take page number 32.
Ma'am, A and B and A and
Yes?
the answer is 80.
Okay. So the 14th question, solve. Solve 46 minus 28. So first you have to arrange numbers. Yes. So please arrange the numbers properly. First number is 46 minus 28.
28.
And do it. Yes,
Regrouping.
yes, yes, yes. Here, the ones place numbers are 6 minus 8. So we cannot subtract from 6. Isn't it? 6 minus 8, we cannot subtract. So, regrouping.
Regroup.
So, in this 4 will become which number?
3.
3. And what about 6?
16.
16. Okay. Now, subtract 16 minus 8.
Is equal to 8.
8 fingers we need to count. Then tens place 3 minus 2 is
1.
1. So
One.
answer is 18.
18.
Okay. Ashwajit, are you getting the answer? Yes? Okay. Next question. 382 minus 119.
We need to regroup.
Yes, so you have to write the numbers properly. 382 minus 100. Ah, yes, let me check. Here, the ones place numbers are 2 minus 9. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So, we cannot subtract 2 minus 9, isn't it? So, we have to regroup. So, which number is going to share here? 8. So, the next number near to 2, the next number is 8. So, 8 will become which number here? 8 will become 7. Okay. Then 2 will become 12. Okay. Please write it like this. And Ryan, are you getting? Ryan?
Ma'am,
Yes?
answer is 53.
Yes. What is the answer, Ryan? 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9. After 9, count up to 12. 9 after? Yes, 3. And what about the tens?
10.
Tens place 7 minus 1.
6.
6. Okay. Then we have one more place. Hundreds place. 3 minus 1 is 2.
2.
So answer is 263.
263.
Yes, very good.
3, 6, 2.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay.
263.
Hmm.
Ma'am, one more question we want to write.
Now there is question number 15. 15th question.
Okay.
So Rose, please read the 15th question.
Ma'am, next question I
There
will read.
are 50 coins in a
Hmm.
jar.
Hmm.
30 coins were removed.
Hmm.
How many coins are left in the jar?
Yes, there are 50 coins in a jar. 30 coins were removed. So how many coins are left in the jar? So you can see the word left.
20.
So here we have to subtract the numbers, right?
20 coins.
Yes. So first we have to write 50 minus 30. All of you please write like this. 50 minus 30.
Ma'am, what is
The answer is 20.
Yes. And if you're having any doubt, you have to arrange it.
Ma'am, I don't understand 31.
Minus 30. What?
Ma'am,
Aradhya, what happened?
I don't understand 31. Ma'am,
next
I will read.
Which question, Aradhya?
31 and subtract.
It's not clear, Aradhya. It's not clear. What you're telling?
I don't.
Answer is 20.
Yes, answer is 20. So please write.
Next question's answer I will say.
Okay. So I'm going to do only these many questions today because there is no other time to complete the balance questions.
The 2 minutes only.
Yes. So the balance questions, we will do it in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So these much questions you all have to complete. How many questions? 15 questions. Okay. So balance 16th onwards, we will do it in the next class. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank